it's Mary Ann from MC Beaters, and I wanted to show you what I did. I put together real quick. I received the charms not too long ago, a couple days ago, just in time for Valentine's Day. It's a boy and a girl holding a heart, really cute, and I actually purchased these Bangle bracelets from, I think it was June, I'm not sure. Anyway, I put them together. I put the charm with a different color gem on each one, and I think I made 8 of them. Really, really cute. They are a little small, but meaning the bracelet part is a little small, but it's adjustable. So when you slide it on, you actually have to kind of open up these two, let me show you. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm doing this one-handed and the lighting's terrible, but when you put it on, you have to actually like squeeze these together to make it bigger, because they came very small, but they fit. Once I squeeze it and I put it on my arm, on my wrist, it's perfect fit. So I made one in yellow and one in pink. There's red. This lighting's terrible, I'm so sorry. There's another pink one, blue. I believe that's red. Purple. It looks like it's black. It's not though. Purple and another purple. So that's what I did for today. The snow is starting. We're supposed to get like a really big storm. I am off of work today, and this is what I did. Okay, everyone, have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye-bye for now.